So, the tech world is abuzz with anticipation as the release of the Google Pixel 8a draws nearer. Expected to make its debut in the coming months, possibly coinciding with the highly anticipated I/O 2024 event, the Pixel 8a has been the subject of much speculation and excitement among enthusiasts. While concrete details about the device remain elusive, enthusiasts have been gathering morsels of information from various pre-launch leaks and unofficial renders circulating within tech circles. However, amidst the anticipation, a recent development has shed light on the impending arrival of the Pixel 8a. Google, in an indirect confirmation, addressed the disappearance of a specific Pixel feature related to battery statistics. Initially introduced in the Android 14's QPR1 update, this feature provided users with valuable insights into charging cycle counts and battery manufacturing dates. Yet, with the March 2024 update for Pixel phones, this feature mysteriously vanished. Google's explanation, provided on a bug tracker page, revealed that the removal of the feature was intentional. It was never meant for existing devices and is slated to be exclusive to future Pixel models, starting with the Pixel 8a onwards. This revelation not only provides a glimpse into an upcoming feature for future Pixel devices, but also serves as Google's first official confirmation of the impending Pixel 8a. The disappearance and subsequent clarification regarding the battery statistics feature have sparked discussions and raised questions within the tech community. While the reasoning behind its initial appearance on existing Pixels remains unclear, users had often questioned the accuracy of the provided statistics. Additionally, this development hints at potential future expansions and refinements to the feature, possibly including comprehensive battery health information. However, the decision to restrict basic battery health information solely to newer hardware like the Pixel 8a has garnered mixed reactions. Some users have expressed disappointment, calling for broader accessibility to such features across Pixel devices. Despite these concerns, the excitement surrounding the impending release of the Pixel 8a continues unabated. As anticipation mounts, several uncertainties persist, including speculations about the device's pricing and specifications. Despite lacking concrete details, enthusiasts remain eager for any tidbits of information that may surface leading up to the potential unveiling in May. Furthermore, with Google already sending out invitations for I/O Connect in June, where the event will be held in Berlin, following last year's post-I/O 2023 activities in Miami, Amsterdam, and Bengaluru, excitement for the Pixel 8a and the future of Google's smartphone lineup continues to grow. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 8a? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.